Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. You see the water here behind me? Maybe you're in a flood zone. Maybe you're not in a flood zone. Let's be honest. Everybody's in a flood zone. So, should flood insurance be required for everyone? Well, that's what we want to talk about today. Hurricane Harvey has shown us, the Nebraska flooding of 2019 has shown us, the Oklahoma flooding of 2019, even the Alabama flooding of early 2019. All these things have shown us that it doesn't take your property being in a high-risk flood zone to flood. So should it be a mandatory requirement to carry flood insurance in these areas where maybe you hold a mortgage, but it's in a flood zone X? As of right now, that's not a mandatory zone. But this is a subject that has been talked about a lot lately. Should flood insurance be required on all properties where a mortgage is being carried? So let us know what you think. Should it be required? Now, I will say this, flood insurance could have gone a long way in helping minimize the impacts in Oklahoma, Nebraska, even Hurricane Harvey, where 85% of people did not have flood insurance because they were told they were in a low-risk flood zone, that it wasn't going to flood, that they were not even told they were between two reservoirs, where when water was released downstream, their property could be flooded. So these are some issues that have come up that are really making people start to think, should flood insurance be required anytime a mortgage is on a property? So, if you want to take a look at flood insurance, if you're in a flood zone X and you've been told you don't need it, or maybe your property is flooded and you're still in a flood zone X and you want to know what your rates would be, what are your options, please reach out to us. FloodInsuranceGuru.com. Go to our YouTube and our Facebook channels, The Flood Insurance Guru, where we do our daily flood education videos. You can also give us a call, 205-451-4294. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, so we can help you understand flood risks, like this one right here. Your flood insurance and mitigating your property long-term to help you minimize flood premiums and flood losses.